Good day, everybody. I hope everyone's having a beautiful Saturday. We are almost done the Wolf Non-Surgical course here in Barrie, Ontario. And yesterday we did the pelvic clearance and abdominal lift. And I want to talk a bit about that. It's crazy that for my experience with it, I feel I've been doing this about a year now. And I feel I've let things go and I'm better with my emotions and managing them and not holding on to things anymore. But when it came to the pelvic clearance and abdominal lift, the emotions, even though I may have let go of everything up here, physically, those emotions are still trapped in your body. And that's why it's very important to get the Wolf Non-Surgical work done to help you release, fully release all of those emotions and fully be able to heal and feel free and learn to fly, first love yourself. I can do all of the steps I want, but if I don't get the physical work done, those emotions are still going to be trapped in your body. And today we're doing the breast restoration and the facelift, and we just went through the demo for the breast restoration, and again, you don't realize how much you hold on to in your body. Even if you feel mentally you've let go of everything, it's still physically in you until you deal with it. So I hope you all have a beautiful day, and we will talk to you later. Bye.